Today I am going to tell you about 10 AI tools that you are not going to believe they exist. If you are a content creator, student, teacher, or an employee, you are going to love this video because I am going to tell you about apps that are going to make your life easier.
The first tool is Google AI Studio. Do you know this tool can work as your personal assistant? You can ask for its help when you are stuck in some app. First of all, you will have to select Share Screen from the stream. Select a window that you want to share. It will show the window. Now, click on the Talk button. Here I have asked it how to change the color of numbers above 80 in column K. It replied,
Okay, first, select the range of cells in column K that you want to apply the formatting to. Then, on the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting, then highlight Cells Rules, and then select Greater Than. In the dialog box that appears, enter 80. Then, choose a formatting style, such as changing the fill color, and click OK. Does that make sense?
it will also show the text form of this conversation also. Now, the second app is Bolt.ai. You can now develop a new website in minutes by giving a simple prompt. Here, I will enter the prompt to design a tool for removing a watermark from an image. As you press enter, in few minutes it will design a website for you. You can now edit the coding to adjust according to your needs. Another personal assistant from Google is Gemini. You can also use it as an alternative to ChatGPT to generate research papers. Here, I have asked it to write a research paper on use of AI in 2025. Click on the Deep Research button, then click on the Start Research button. It will generate a research paper for you in a few minutes. It has generated a research paper with reference to different websites that it has used. Now, the fourth app is Captions.ai. Using this app, you can automatically generate captions. Here, I will upload a video and then click on the Create Project. It will generate automatically captions for my video. You can also edit your video by its feature of AI eye contact. Now, the fifth app is Coral.ai. This tool can save you a lot of time. It can find information and generate content from group of files and articles. First of all, upload a file. It will give you options of what you want from it. I will select Summarize. It will give you a summary of article with proper headings. At the bottom, you can see it gave references also. The sixth app is Pinocchio. Now, this is a very useful tool. If you want to install, run any server application locally, then this app is for you. After you install it, it will give you access to different apps. You can download the one that you like. After downloading, you can use them online and completely free of charge. Now, the seventh app is FutureTools.ai. This is a collection of best AI tools in one place. It is divided into different sections so that you can find the one according to your needs. Here, I select text to video, then click on the sort button. It will display the list of different apps available to generate AI video from text. Choose the one that you like. The eighth app is Presentation.ai. Are you tired of creating presentations yourself? Then this tool will help you. Here, I am giving it a prompt to generate a presentation about impact of AI in today's workforce. Then click on the Generate Presentation. It has designed a beautiful presentation with images and different design templates. Another smart AI tool is Byword.ai that can generate articles with proper structure, headings, and keywords. By selecting the keyword prompt, I will enter AI impact on workforce. After a few seconds, it will generate a well-written article. Now the last but the most useful tool is Undetectable.ai. It can allow your high-quality content to bypass the AI detector. Here, First, I will copy the content from ChatGPT and paste it into the app. Now I will ask it to check for AI. It shows that it is 1% human. So now you can humanize it to bypass the AI detectors.
If you like my video, click on the like button below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to know more about different AI tools.